Hi everyone, this is Advocate Pawan here. So today we'll be learning about the important current affairs which is required for your upcoming exam. So we'll be discussing in a very detailed and in an elaborative manner. So I hope today's class is going to be super exciting and super interesting for all of you. So make sure that you're parallelly taking down the notes and then prepare, because by the end of today's video, I'm going to reveal an important surprise, which I'll be trying to reveal at any point of the time. So make sure that you just make the important notes, because we are covering up all the important set of current affairs starting from 2025. Okay, let's start then. Yes. In which city will Mahakumbh 2025 be hosted? That is basically, is it option A Varanasi, Prayagraj, Haridwar, and Nasik? So where was actually Mahakumbh this time basically being hosted? It was basically in Prayagraj. Most of you know it because it is very famous festival, and by default everyone know it. Second, which celestial alignment, which celestial alignment decides the timing of Mahakumbh? It is basically Jupiter in Aquarius and Sun in Capricorn. Just remember this. It's part of your current affairs because Mahakumbh celebration was very big in this particular year. Now, third question. How many pilgrims are expected in Mahaprayagraj for Mahakumbh 2025? It is basically 40 crore devotees has basically been visited. Now, fourth question is about which scheme ensures a clean Ganga during Mahakumbh 2025? It is Namami Ganga Mission. Namami Ganga Mission. It is basically what to clean Ganga during the Mahakumbh time. Because as it is going to be an international level audience, everyone is going to come. So as part of it, it is important that we need to clean the entire Ganga in general. So as part of it, the Namami Ganga Mission, they are hosting it. Namami Ganga Mission, which is for actually for ecological balance as well as restoration of the entire Ganga. So even national and international people will be recognizing the importance of Mahakumbh. So obviously, if dirt is there, it will be a bad impression, right? Yeah. Fifth question. Mahakumbh 2025 will coincide with which birth anniversary celebration? It will be with Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Try to make sure that you're writing this like a proper exam so that you'll be easy for you to learn it. Okay. Now let's looking into the next question. Which infrastructure project is linked with Mahakumbh 2025? That is basically the Prayagraj Ring Road project. What is it called as? The Prayagraj Ring Road project. It's called as Prayagraj Ring Road project. Seventh question. Mahakumbh occurs once in how many years? It happens once in 144 years. Mahakumbh happens when? Once in 44 years. Okay, 144 years this Mahakumbh happens. Which river is not directly a part of Prayagraj Sangam? Is it Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, or Godavari? It is basically Godavari, because Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati is part of the Prayagraj in general. Ninth question. The Mahakumbh 2025 will showcase which digital innovation for the pilgrims? It is basically pilgrim QR based entry pass. Second is drone based security system. C is the third is what? Smart city surveillance, and like it's all of the above. So they incorporated all these four important aspects. They just incorporated all these four aspects. Now, 10th question. Which state organizes Mahakumbh? It is basically the Uttar Pradesh. So which states organize the Mahakumbh? It is basically the Uttar Pradesh. They organize this under the leadership of Yogi Adityanath. Okay, I hope that's very clear for you. 11th question. Which international organization appreciates the Mahakumbh cultural scale in 2025? Okay, which international organization appreciates the Mahakumbh cultural scale in 2025? It is none other than it is basically the UNESCO. Okay, it is the UNESCO. Next, which eco concept is being promoted for Mahakumbh 2025? Which eco concept is being promoted for Mahakumbh 2025? It is basically which one? Think carefully. It is the zero waste Mela, Swachh Kumbh, plastic free Kumbh, and all of the above is the answer. So actually all of the above, that is zero waste Mela, no waste. Second is Swachh Kumbh, make the entire Ganga plains clean, plastic free. These three was the new incorporations during the Mahakumbh time. Why? Because we are also having international level audience. 13th question. The Kumbh Mela is inscribed at which of the heritage? It is basically at the intangible cultural heritage. Okay, at UNESCO. Okay, the Kumbh Mela is incurred to be at which type of heritage? It is basically been intangible cultural heritage. Okay, so UNESCO officially recognized Mahakumbh Mela as an intangible cultural heritage in which year? In 2017. Please do even learn this important question for your exam perspective. Okay, which deity is traditionally associated with the Kumbh Mela? It is Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva. All the three major deities are basically being worshipped. Okay, all the three important Hindu deities, that is Lord Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva is basically being worshipped. Now, what is the core religious act during the Mahakumbh? Okay, Shahi Sna, the holy bath is very famous. So if you see all these yogis to everyone, they come and they take a dip, a Shahi Snan, right? So that is very famous during the Mahakumbh time. I hope you all are aware about it. Now, 16th question. Now we are going to the next segment of question that is about Republic Day. So why did I teach you all this question is about? They can see for your exam perspective, either they can give you a, yeah, they will surely be giving you a comprehension, and then they'll be asking you to answer all the subsequent kind of 15 questions. So you should be prepared for it. Similar way, even sometimes they can ask you direct questions. So you should be very prepared from all the levels. Okay. Now, next topic is about the Republic Day. So Republic Day 2025, we'll just discuss with few couple of questions. The Republic Day 2025 was celebrated, which was India's which celebration in the Constitution? It is basically the 76th celebration. 76th. Okay, Republic Day is the 76th. What was the theme of Republic Day Parade of 2025? Bharat at 2047 Viksit Bharat. Bharat at 2047 Viksit Bharat. Very important, you have to learn it without fail. Okay, which of the theme was the Republic Day Parade of 2025? It is basically Bharat at 2047. Viksit Bharat was the major kind of theme of the Republic Day Parade. Okay, now why? It is basically to support the Viksit Bharat. Okay, because 100 years of Independence Day. Now 18th question is, which Indian Army force led the Republic Day Parade in 2025? Which Indian Army force led the Republic Day this one? It is basically the Indian Air Force. Obviously, it is the Indian Air Force. I hope this is very clear for you, and you're giving importance to this entire current affairs again and again. Now, next question. How many aircrafts participated in the 2025 Republic Day fly past? Is it how much? It is basically the 65. 65 aircraft basically 65 aircraft played a very important role. This is the 19th question. I hope today's class was really helpful for you. If you do like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and then about the further subsequent classes, I'll be letting know. You can also be part of my classes. I'll be dropping down the link in my chat box, so you can be part of the entire community. Would be happy to help you out within your preparation. And yes, so for all my subsequent classes, you can surely join my classes. It's going to be super, super, super helpful for you, and going to be a great